Hello friends, in this video we will talk about tricks to remember modern periodic table, and this video is by Muhammad Anas Khan. Modern periodic table is given by Henry Moseley and it look like this. First we are going to know about group 1 which belongs to S block, and it contains hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, and we can learn them by Helena Key Ruby Say Friendship. H stands for hydrogen, Lena stands for lithium and sodium, Key stands for potassium, Ruby stands for rubidium, C stands for cesium, friendship stands for francium. Now we will talk about group 2 which also belongs to S block. It contains beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium, and we can learn them by beta, Mange, car, scooter, bap, Razi. Beta stands for beryllium, Mange stands for magnesium, car stands for calcium, scooter stands for strontium, bap stands for barium, Razi stands for radium. Now we will talk about group 13 which belongs to P block. It contains boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium, and we can learn them by Bangan, Alu, Gajar in Thela. Bangan stands for boron, Alu stands for aluminium, Gajar stands for gallium, In stands for indium, Thela stands for thallium. Now we will talk about group 14 which also belongs to P block. It contains carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, and we can learn them by chemistry sir gives some key problems. Chemistry stands for carbon, sir stands for silicon, gives stands for germanium, sun key stands for tin, problems stands for lead. Now we will talk about group 15 which belongs to P block and also called nitrogen family, which contains nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, and we can learn them by Nana Patekar Aishwarya Sab Bikhari. Nana stands for nitrogen, Patekar stands for phosphorus, Aishwarya stands for arsenic and antimony, Sab stands for nothing, and Bikhari stands for bismuth. Now we will talk about group 16 which belongs to P block and also called oxygen family, and it contains oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. O, and we can learn them by O style say tail polish. O stands for oxygen, style stands for sulfur, say stands for selenium, tail stands for tellurium, polish stands for polonium. Now we will talk about group 17 which also belongs to P block, and it contains fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, acetylene, and we can learn them by Fir call Karne Bahar Aayi Aunty. Fir stands for fluorine, call stands for chlorine, Karne stands for Karne stands for nothing, Bahar stands for bromine, Aayi stands for iodine, Aunty stands for acetylene. Now we will talk about group 18 which belongs to P block and also called non-reactive gases. It contains helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, and we can learn them by he never arrives, Karan zero run pe out. He stands for helium, never stands for neon, arrive stands for argon, Karan stands for krypton, zero stands for xenon, run stands for radon, payout stands for nothing. Thank you.